I made my coldest because I'm very sick, and now we're gonna pack 2 orders we sold yesterday. This is going to Netherlands, somewhere in Rotterdam, and this is in Germany, in Munich. They have these beautiful sets. I had a lot of offers for this one, and they were trying to get the set for €5, and it's in very good shape. It's already washed and ironed because I took photography this week, and the pants are amazingly soft. So I think they're really gonna enjoy this, and the Hogwarts set was so comfy. So this together was about €16, and this one I actually don't remember. I think I put it for €7 or €8, but let's pack. I'm thinking, because this is a small one, and usually I pack with I put them in a nice bag, and then I put them in paper and I send them like a present. This time I think I'm gonna do the other way around. I'm gonna pack it in the paper. It's a nice paper so you can see through, and then because this is a bit more sturdy, we're gonna put it in, we're gonna type it, we're gonna put, I think it's gonna get there in a good condition. I mean, this is so you don't see what you buy through, but I think also this one, so I think it's gonna be safe. This would be like, we can choose one. Thank you very much. I think the blue one looks the best with this. The cheaper stickers that I mentioned before, we just buy them from Action, and they are good enough for mostly, but they don't hold so good. So this is a bit stronger, and it's important that it's really looking like a present. So we have this, and I'm gonna see if it really fits in this, and then it's not gonna look so ugly. It's important for me that it's protecting the material before it gets to this destination. We are still recycling, yeah, because we are recycling a bag that's quite strong, and also it doesn't stink. You know those bags you buy and they stink, so it's protected for sure. We have the thank you side, and so on this side put the erdegora, Second Life, and this goes with Vinted Go, which means they're gonna put a small sticker here. For these ones, I found 2 similar packaging through all that I saved. They're very nice intact, or at least almost. Here that doesn't look too great, but when I close it, I can do the same. And I have here cut, if you know, from Robin. The smell is too strong. I saw someone packing in a video. They are like this, but because it's too strong smell to put like that, I just cut a couple of paper and I put it in, and they smell just enough, because I'm also personal sensitive. And then I bend them so, and inside I'm gonna write a thank you. Thank you, and I sign my name down, Gora. It's not the best writing, but you can figure out what it means. So this is gonna keep the grass smell. So, and now let's see. In this we can, oh, it's a nice butterfly. So it holds a bit in place. And now let's put the Hogwarts. Maybe we find something with magic. Just little things to make people experience much better. And then we put a thank you note for the smell. Just to hold a bit in place. And now we're gonna reuse one from my printful, from my personal orders. I always save them, and I can just I have some small boxes, so I actually thinking if I maybe should use a box, because it's going to Germany maybe it's actually better. It's a bit difficult. It's packed good. You could still have, I don't know, I have so many boxes. Maybe I could find a smaller one, but I think this would. So this is where we came out. We taped it nicely on this side and we're ready to go.